I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your balance to a new SIM card with Bouygues Telecom, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bouygues Telecom website and log into your account using your credentials. This is where you'll manage your services and balances. Step 2. Navigate to the balance transfer section. Once logged in, find the section for balance transfers. This is usually located under account management or services. Step 3. Select the old and new SIM cards. You will need to select your old SIM card from which you want to transfer the balance and the new SIM card that will receive the balance. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. After selecting the SIM cards, confirm the transfer by following the prompts. Make sure to double check the numbers to avoid mistakes. Quick gotcha: if you accidentally select the wrong new SIM, you might have to start over, so take a moment to verify before confirming. Step 5. Check transfer status. After confirming, check the status of your transfer. You should receive a notification once the process is complete. That's it. You should now have successfully transferred your balance to your new SIM. If you run into any issues, Bouygues Telecom customer service is always there to help. Happy connecting!